Today, we show you the power, precision, and skill behind cutting massive trees and processing wood with the most advanced machines in the industry. The Rapido Loco 20 by CRD Metalworks is a top-tier firewood processor designed to meet the demands of any firewood producer. It features a 73-horsepower turbo diesel engine, an 18T chassis, an 8-way splitting wedge, and a 13-feet powered live deck, delivering unmatched speed and efficiency. With a capacity to process logs up to 20 inches in diameter and 24 feet in length, it produces 5 to 6 cords of firewood per hour, making it the fastest in its class. Its advanced hydraulic systems and patent-pending saw-breaking technology ensure optimal performance and safety. Taking down a 600-year-old tree isn't your typical Tuesday task. It's a monumental endeavor. But in Japan, this isn't just about skill. It's about respect. Deeply rooted in their culture is a profound connection with nature, seeing trees not merely as objects, but as living beings with a soul. So when they approach a task like this, it's not just technical precision on display, it's an artful dance of mastery and reverence. Witnessing it is nothing short of extraordinary. Picture this: towering, rugged mountains, dense, unyielding forests, and the unstoppable HSM 405H charging through it all like an absolute beast. This machine isn't just built, it's forged to dominate anything Mother Nature throws its way. From rain-soaked trails to impossibly steep slopes and treacherously muddy terrain, the HSM 405H powers on, unrelenting. Think of it as the ultimate off-road vehicle, but instead of thrill-seeking adventurers, it's carrying timber with the precision and finesse of a skilled surgeon. The magic doesn't stop there. The HSM 405H is designed with user-friendliness at its core, so intuitive that even first-timers can jump in and operate it like seasoned pros. But wait, there's more. Pair it with the formidable DAF 1180D forestry mulcher, and you have the ultimate land-clearing powerhouse. Whether it's dense underbrush, stubborn stumps, or sprawling vegetation, this duo makes short work of it all. Durability? Check. Performance? Absolutely. Versatility? In spades. These machines are redefining what's possible in forestry and land management. Rain or shine, slope or swamp, the HSM 405H and DEF 1180D are the ultimate game changers, turning impossible tasks into effortless victories. Hey lumberjacks, tired of battling inconsistent debarking? The Cambio 45 is here to revolutionize your workflow. Its game-changing helical blade rotor ensures a flawless peel every single time, less fiber damage, more usable timber. Imagine a sawmill that handles logs of any size with ease, ready to supercharge your productivity. The Cambio 45's got your back. Feast your eyes on this powerhouse of a wood splitter. Looks amazing, right? But let's be real, Safety matters just as much as performance. Wouldn't some sturdy corner stops add extra protection? And imagine those moving parts painted in high-visibility colors, maybe bold yellow and black like construction gear. A small change for a big boost in safety. What do you all think? The John Deere 1270G is a powerhouse of automation. Designed to cut large tree stems into precise, uniform sizes effortlessly. Its advanced automatic saw, combined with cutting-edge features, ensures maximum efficiency and accuracy. With its precision, power, and smart capabilities, this machine is a game-changer in modern forestry. The Hacky Pilk 42 is a high-performance firewood processor designed for efficiency and precision. It features an automatic hydraulic saw, adjustable splitting force, and a user-friendly control system for seamless operation. Paired with the Hacky Feed 473, a robust log deck, it ensures smooth log feeding and increased productivity. The conveyor system optimizes firewood processing, reducing manual labor. Together, they deliver unmatched speed, reliability, and ease for firewood production. Boost your firewood production with the Apicore Roto 66G09, a Swiss-made powerhouse built for peak efficiency. Its rugged 28-ton hydraulic system and 65 kilowatts diesel engine make light work of logs up to 25.6 inches in diameter and 19.7 feet long, slashing processing time dramatically. The integrated winch and customizable splitting wedges optimize workflow for seamless operation. Designed for durability and performance, this machine takes productivity to the next level. Get ready to process more wood in less time. In the heart of this stunning landscape, taking down a century-old tree is no simple job. Its slippery, moss-covered trunk makes it even trickier. Every move has to be carefully planned and calculated for hours. Cutting down such a massive tree isn't just about strength, it's about skill, patience, and respect for nature.